Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my Christmas 2022 video, part 2. I just have a couple of things that I would like to share. I found these beautiful old Christmas ornaments. They're glass. And I would never use them. I'd be too afraid they'd get broke. But they are in mint condition. I found them at the same vintage shop that I showed you the lantern. And I will try to take one out carefully. Poinsettia is so beautiful. And then there are others shaped like little bells. Family, I absolutely adore these ornaments. They remember me of when my grandparents were young, when they were keeping house. And it's in the original box. And then I found this tea kettle. And I just put some ornaments on it. The ornaments I've had for years. They got broke. The clips came off the back. We throw nothing away. I just tied it with a twist tie and put it on the handle. Comes off. I suppose you could put greenery in the top if you like. Or you could just leave it plain. You don't even need the garland. Very appropriate for Christmas. My antique punch mug. And all you need is 2 cans of Hawaiian punch, not quite half a bottle of ginger ale, and 3 big scoops of orange sherbet. Some folks like eggnog, some folks like punch. And don't forget the kids. They love the punch. So when I made my other video, I did have these 2 things to share with you. You know, the ones that follow me, that I love crystal. But it seems like my tastes have changed. It seems like I'm going more for this type of thing and larger items. So family, I'll try to make another video before the holiday. And I want to thank you again for sticking by me, and to all my new subscribers, as I do not usually upload every week. But when you come here, you never know what you're going to get. It might be music. It might be history. I might be doing artwork. I might have written a poem. But you don't want the same thing every day, all day. You get bored with that. I know I do. God bless you, everyone. And again, I thank you so much. Have a very happy holiday. And happy hunting.